Black-eyed peas, guys, and it's a curry. Today I'm sharing the best black-eyed peas curry recipe with you guys. So take a look here. These are regular black-eyed peas. These are not canned. This is all raw. So we have taken some peas and we have soaked them in water. Friends, let's get straight into the video. So we will add at least 7 tablespoons of oil. These peas are 1 whole cup. Oil, ghee or butter, whatever you prefer. So we have olive oil right here. Very easy step. Blender juicer. We'll grab a whole medium-sized onion. Of course, peel it, just rough dice it and add it in the blender juicer. Peas curry. We will take at least 7 to 8 garlic cloves. So here are the garlic cloves. They go in here, right? We will take at least 40 grams of fresh ginger for the 1 whole cup of black-eyed peas. This is 40 grams of fresh ginger. We will add half cup of water, right? Onion, garlic and ginger is right here. It goes right into the pan. We'll saute our onion, garlic and ginger at least for 10 minutes. Friends, it's been at least 10 minutes. We have been sauteing our onion, garlic and ginger, right? We are not burning this, okay? So we just need to saute. Alright, it looks perfectly fine. Let's add our seasoning. So this is our garam masala. This is of course a curry, so this is 5 ingredients, right? We will add at least 1 whole tablespoon right here. White pepper powder, at least 1 tablespoon. Beautiful dried, sun-dried red chilies. You will add at least 5 of them. We have dried curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaves, you can do bay leaves. At least 4 or 5 of them. If you have bay leaf, just add 2 of them. This is black cumin. We will add half tablespoon to 1. Turmeric. At least 1 whole tablespoon. All our ingredients for this curry seasoning gets stir fried. Alright, so they are getting fully roasted at this time. At this time, we will add 1 cup of water in here, just like that. Now we are talking. Give it a mix. Look at the base of this curry. It's forming. Yummy. I mean, if you're allergic to spices, you can skip the red chili, but red chili gives extra kick to it, you know, that's what we need. Alright, look at this paste at this time. So wonderful looking paste. Alright my friends, let's move towards the next part. So these are our soaked 1 whole cup soaked black-eyed peas. Black-eyed peas, 2 cups of water already in here. We will add the peas now. Once you add the peas, take 2 more cups of water. So we had 2 cups already, right? And we added half cup of water, so we have at least 4 cups of water right now in here. We will make it 6. So here you go. Okay, now it's the easy thing to do. Again, we will give it a stir. We will take 1 tablespoon of salt. Alright, look at the ingredients right now. They all are popping in here with the colors. We are not done with this recipe right now. So at this time, we will cover it with the lid. Put it onto medium flame and just for 30 minutes let it boil, let it cook, and I'll see you after 30 minutes. 35 minutes. I have been keeping an eye on our black-eyed peas, guys. So this is what it looks. Look at this. Wonderful, right? So at this time, you know what you have to do. You have to just make sure the beans are soft. At my end, the peas are soft. So at my end, yes, they are soft to the touch. So we are perfectly there. We'll take some spinach leaves, like a handful. We will just chop them from the top, just the leaves, not the stems. So once you do that, just rough dice it as tiny as possible. A handful of spinach leaves, yes sir, and we will add this right here in here. It will balance out all the flavors. Tomato sauce, and this is 425 grams, a whole can, right? And we will add this whole can in here. Mix everything up. The tomato and the spinach, they will balance out everything. Yes, look at this thick curry paste now. Once you mix it, the stove is on the medium flame. Yes, and let's cover this and give it another 15 minutes, just like that. We have 15 minutes for our black-eyed peas to get ready. A whole cup of basmati rice. This is a rice cooker. I'll add a whole cup in here. I'll take at least 2 cups of water. So easy. The rice cooker makes life so easy, man. Half tablespoon of salt. We'll close this down, and hopefully in 15 minutes our white rice gets ready. It's been exactly 45 to 50 minutes altogether. A perfect black-eyed peas recipe is ready, my friend. Yes, I have given it a stir. It's all perfectly done. You guys can see. Yes sir, it's done all the way. It's a thick curry sauce with the beans. Yes, and it tastes yummy. I did taste it. Take a look on our rice, white rice. So our rice in 15 minutes, they look ready. So let's dish out some rice in a plate, and this is the peas curry on top of it. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's so tempting. Trust me, the taste is so yummy. A perfect vegetarian dish. Black-eyed peas curry on top of white rice. Homemade, home prepared, everything is delicious about it. This is the moment of perfect black-eyed peas curry taste test. Everything is so hot, then I have to do this for you guys. So here you go. Yum. Whew. It's on the spicy side, but yum. It's a perfect rich curry, delicious. It's carrying a lot of flavors. Thank you so much for watching this vegetarian delicious recipe. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.